How to watch movies in Netflix that are not available on your country. This is a step-by-step guide, so you will be able to follow easily. Now this method can work for both of your mobile devices or your Windows computer. All you need to do is to go ahead and get a VPN, and from there you will be able to watch movies that is not available on your country. So in my case, I have the Opera GX website right here. I'll just go ahead and enable the VPN services for this website. And right after, all you have to do is to go ahead and connect to a VPN that you wish to watch movies from. For example, as of right now, my region is on the Philippines. I'll just go ahead and turn on my VPN and it will connect to Americas. Go ahead and refresh the page and it will change the Netflix from Philippines to another country. As of right now, it is currently set on Sweden. If I go ahead and scroll down, you can go ahead and see that it is on the Sweden server. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.